This lesson is graphing systems of equations, but with word problems. The goal is to solve a real-world problem by graphing a system of equations. What you should understand by the end of this lesson is that there are times when graphing two lines in the coordinate plane make it easy to find the point of intersection when solving a real-world problem. Here's an example of what you're going to be doing. I'll read the problem and I'll explain how to do it. Aunt Dakota is pricing cakes for a baby shower she is throwing. She wants one large cake shaped like a duckling and also some cupcakes in pastel colors. Fairfax Bakery charges $3 for each cupcake plus $50 for the large cake, and Elizabeth Sweet Shop charges $60 for the large cake and $2 for each cupcake. If Aunt Dakota orders a certain number of cupcakes, the cost will be the same at either bakery. How many cupcakes would that include? So we're going to find the point of intersection and find out how many cupcakes would be at the point of intersection. So that cupcakes is on our x-axis. So I'm going to look at Fairfax Bakery. It's the one in red. And they charge $50 for the large cake. That's where I'm going to start. That's going to be on my y-axis. The $50 for the large cake, and then I'm going to go up $3 for each cupcake. That's my slope. So we're going to start at 50, and then I'm going to have to find a point where I would cross another line. For example, 3 times 5 is 15, and 15 plus 50 is 65, so I could go, that's 70, so I can't go to 65, and 10 times 3 is 30, and 30 plus 50 is 80, so I could go, my next point could be right here at 80. And my line would be right through there. Now you're going to have to use a ruler to get your lines really straight. I don't have the luxury of a ruler. Now Elizabeth Sweet Cakes shop, her cake is $60, so that's going to start right there. And $2 for each cupcake. So at 10 cupcakes, hers would be $20 more, which is at $80. So that's actually where the line meets. So when it says how many cupcakes, it would be 10 cupcakes. If she wanted to order more cupcakes, she would want to go with Elizabeth's Sweet Shop. But the question is how many cupcakes would be at the point of intersection, and that would be 10 cupcakes. And that's how you do it. Here's another one. A customer at the mall is shopping for holiday gifts and wants to have them wrapped. He can get them wrapped at the department store, and it charges $5 a gift. So if I'm having no gifts wrapped, it doesn't cost me anything. But every gift is going to cost me $5. So that's the department store. So at none, it's 0. And 1 is, 2 would be $10. And 4 would be $20. So my line would be going like that. And his niece would charge him $40 to wrap all the gifts. So the niece line is just straight across $40. We just need to find out where does this one, the red line, go across at $40. So it's 6, it's 30, and 8, it's 40. So there is our point of intersection. So at 8 gifts, that would be any more presents than 8, he should go with his niece. Please use a ruler when you're doing your graphing. I've done your practice problems in colors so you see the colors and you know which one is which. You might want to graph in different colors. I have colored pencils. I would definitely use a ruler so you know where these are crossing. But here's your practice 1. Here's practice 2. Here's practice 3. Here's practice 4. Here's practice 5. And here's practice 6. You want to go do IXL at this point in time. I believe it is lesson E3 in Algebra 2. Your next lesson will be on finding the point of intersections of 3 lines, and that is when we are graphing X, Y, and Z coordinates, or when we have a 3D graph, such as the graph you're looking at. And that's the end of this lesson.